Hey, you guys, the books came in. Look.
Oh my
Solution
God.
sent it to us. Oh man, I know both of you guys have lots of books out, but this is my first. Woo! Look at this. Wow, CBE Ignited. Yeah,
Oh my
man,
gosh.
that's pretty cool.
Currently, our superintendents are struggling with attendance, with attrition rate, and with the achievement rate. And so in our book, CBE Ignited, this book is designed to help superintendents create a better system. Well, what we do is we do a process called the gradual release of control. And in a traditional system, Al, we have the teachers in charge. They give you the rules, they give you the procedures, the processes. When we gradually release this to students, at some point, students begin to make decisions for the culture of their classroom, the vision of their classroom, what they're going to learn, how they're going to learn it. And that's a real shift. And what we have to help teachers with is how to do that. And in the book, we give you a step-by-step process. We have a roadmap, we have tools and processes, and we show you examples of what that looks like.
We have an appendix that shows like the 3 districts you could go see it happening. So Chugach School District, where Rich was the superintendent, but also he trained Lindsay and Westminster. And if they want to change back into traditional system, the teachers, the leaders, the students would all revolt. They love this system.
That students learn at different rates, that students need to be engaged, that it needs to be a safe environment for them to learn. So those are some of our key beliefs that in order to shift, you have to believe in those things. And by that, what I mean is creating a better culture, moving from a time-based to competency-based education, and then embracing the concept of continuous improvement. So if you're interested in changing your system to really meet the needs of every child, this is our solution to do that.